When planting your spring garden, why do you want to plant asparagus near your tomatoes? Two things. One, the asparagus repels nematodes. Nematodes attack your tomatoes. So the asparagus is actually a good companion plant to your tomatoes because it will repel those nematodes and keep them away from your tomatoes. The other thing, tomatoes repel asparagus beetles. So tomatoes are a wonderful companion plant for your asparagus. So these two little guys, your asparagus on one side, your tomatoes on the other side, they're both helping each other out by repelling these pests. Companion planting is one of my favorite things. Planting something next to something else to eliminate pests and to create higher yields in your garden. So when you're planting your garden, think of companion planting and plant your tomatoes near your asparagus to keep both of those plants very happy. And you have a great day.